अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद. English, Allah's name Al-Mu'min in English meaning and its explanation in English. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Al-Mu'min, he is the King, the All-Holy, the All-peaceable, the giver of peace. 59 Surah 23 Ayat. Allah is the real giver of security. Only by being faithful to Him can one feel truly secure and have no fear at all. Which of the two parties has a better title to security? Tell me if you know the truth. Those who believe and have not confounded their belief with evil doing shall surely earn salvation. 6 Surah 81-82 Ayat. Security here means the peace one feels in his heart issuing from faith. Besides, Allah promised His loyal servants that their faith would be firmly established so that they would live in peace and security instead of suffering and persecution. Allah has promised those of you who believe and do righteous deeds that He will surely make them successors in the land, just as He made their ancestors successors, and that He will surely establish their religion for them, that He has approved for them, and will give them in exchange after their fear security. 24 Surah 55 Ayat. Allah never fails the faith others place in Him, and His promise is genuine and never broken. This is what Allah and His Messenger promised us, and Allah and His Messenger have spoken truly. 33 Surah 22 Ayat. Thus, in this world of uncertainty and spiritual loss, there are people who lead their lives untouched by His mystery and distress. Thus, in this world of uncertainty and spiritual loss, there are people who lead their lives untouched by His mystery and distress. Surely those who say, "Our Lord is Allah," and then go straight, shall have nothing to fear or to regret. 46 Surah 13 Ayat. This is what Allah and His Messenger promised us, and Allah and His Messenger have spoken truly. 33 Surah 22 Ayat. Listen please and like and subscribe. इंशाल्लाह कल फिर मुलाकात, अगली बार फिर मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.